So can you send me that after the class or during the break or after you have done with the question, whenever you get time?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just a picture or something.
Okay, sir.
Ruhan Arora, if your camera is off, then your mic should be on.
Okay, sir.
And Avyan, your network seems fine to me.
Yes, sir.
Mikey,
Yes, sir.
network seems fine to me.
But, but like when I don't know, it's getting unstable.
Okay, so you can keep the camera off and mic on.
So if I like if it like turns on the internet, so I'll turn on my camera.
Okay, fair enough.
So when is the Olympiad exam?
I think 12th December. So
It's the
Adya, Gauri, Candy, Mikey, time up.
Sir, can you wait a minute, sir? My pen just.
sir. It is this time. It is late.
No, beta, last year also it was, I think, on 14th December.
Sir, can you wait a minute? I'll just solve it in a minute. My pen just leaked.
So first question, how many, beta, you can sort it out, it's okay. How many more
Okay, sir.
spoons were sold on Friday than on Wednesday? So Friday we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 symbols. And on Wednesday we have how many? 4 symbols. So there is a difference of 3 symbols. So 3 symbols means
12 spoons.
12 spoons. Because one symbol is equal to 4 spoons. So Candy, Geet, Hacker, understood?
Yes, sir.
So Smiley, in the third one, you just have to multiply 17 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 70 times 32. All right, Smiley?
Sir, but they said if one spoon was sold for ₹70.
Yes, beta, one spoon was sold for 70. So here we have 8 symbols.
So, sir, we have to count this as well.
8 symbols means how many?
Sir, 32.
32 spoons. So 32 into 70, okay?
Yes, sir.
So then do the so this one and this one.
what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4 Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first Sunday, second Sunday. Number 15, 13, 45, 16, 75, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 13. So will we have a break today?
Let's see, beta. If you do well, then we won't have. Then we'll have a break. Majorly, it depends on you, why? Because your performance, has been a cause of worry for me. Especially when you lost that half mark, I'm really concerned. So the answer that you asked me of sets, did everyone get it wrong, or they just gave 1 mark to or both the answers?
They give 1 mark to both the answers. First, they marked that wrong for the
Yours first they mark wrong.
yes.
Then
Then I got it in green.
and how did you get it correct then?
I convinced mom. So both answers were considered correct.
You told her?
Yes.
I hope you didn't give my reference.
Um, I did.
You did give my reference, my good.
Oh.
You did not.
Sir, I'm joining back in 2 minutes.
So Smiley, Gauri, Adya, beta, don't sleep in the class. So first one, 5 erasers. So represent 65. So we will do 65 divide by 5 beta. How many symbols we will need?
13.
13. Then all we had to do in this, we had to count the number of symbols. So it is 3, 2, 2, and 5. Then it will be total will be how many?
Sir, 60. So, sir, total will be 12. 12
12
times 15.
symbols.
Yeah, 12.
Then we will do 12 into 15 to get the number of bikes. That will be 180.
180.
So
Sir,
180
after
into
sir,
100,
180 into
getting
100, you get 18.
18,000. So Adya and Ruhan Arora and Gauri understood.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
आद्या बेटा
understood
मुझे
before
आपका
only.
आंसर टाइम पे चाहिए. डू वी अंडरस्टैंड?
Sir,
आप
I
इधर
understood.
उधर.
Sir, I understood before only, but because of this, I got it.
ओके.
What is that? That is a pen leaking situation. I know.
So do the fifth and sixth question.
The strip represents 2%. 1, 2,
So
3.
how much time, Sudharam, you took to convince your teacher for that
Sir,
question?
what had happened was that in the first period, I said that to ma'am that ma'am one should also be correct, and ma'am said I'll see about it and ask the other teacher. In the second period, ma'am agreed and marked my answer as correct.
Okay. Mahuri, would you like to tell us some story of your narrow school?
Uh, I can't think of any.
Did you make any friends?
Yes,
How many?
uh, so basically the entire school. So because there's less students there.
All right. So, guys, the first question, Geet and Hacker, you got it wrong. So, we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and half means 1. So, 2, 2, 2, 2.5 means 1. So, it will be 9. Then, guys, for the sixth question, remember that the method used to represent, to draw 5. In some books it is like this, in some books it is like this. So for your SOF Olympiad, we will close the mark like this. So just remember this. For your school it might be the A part also, just check in your book, but for Olympiads we will draw tally marks of 5 like this. The symbol would be this. So got it, Mikey, UI, Smiley, Chatty, Mahuri, Adya.
Yes, sir. S and A
It can
part.
be different from your book.
Yes. Yes, sir. S and A part.
Anything interesting, Mahuri, you want to tell us?
So the math is very easy. So we're learning standard form.
By standard form?
And I have no clue why we're learning standard form. So three terms. So first two terms are easy. Third term is also easy, but it's harder than the first two terms.
Okay, do the seventh and eighth question. So talk to the school. And Ruhan, Arora, why you are, lying down on a bed?
Because I just came from school and I did not even have lunch time. So
But you cannot do the class lying on a bed.
yes.
Sir, why are you making us watch advertisements?
Where?
Sir, you are.
No, I'm not. There two questions means two answers. So total production of cars of factories P and S. So P is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 symbol and S is having 1, 2, 3, 4 symbols. So total I got 10
10.
symbols. So 150 multiplied by 10 will give me 1500. What is the difference between the production of cars by factory Q and R together? Q and R together gives me how many?
Sir, 8.
8 symbols. And T gives me how many?
7.
7 symbols. So difference is of one symbol, that is equal to 150. So Q and R together and T. So I will compare Q and R together and with T. So Smiley, Adya, understood?
Please, sir, I told you you were making us watch advertisements of cars.
Yes. So Miss Smiley and Adya understood?
Yes, sir.
Miss Smiley,
So can you explain again?
I can explain again. Beta, what is the difference? Difference means subtraction.
Yes,
Q
sir.
and R together gives me 8 symbols. This thing you understood?
Yes, sir.
And factory T, that gives me 7 symbols.
Yes, sir.
So 8 minus 7, one symbol. One symbol is 150 car.
Okay, sir.
Sir, tally marks are a part of data handling.
Yes. So do the 11th and 12th, guys.
Sir, which one?
11th and 12th. So highest marks are in which subject? Sanskrit.
Sir, I copied it wrong, sir. Sir, the
And
answer
second
is
highest will be in which subject?
English.
English. Now
Sure, sir.
difference between the marks obtained in everyone understood this
Yes,
first part,
sir.
Hacker, Candy,
And Gauri.
understood guys?
Sir,
So
it was silly
so
mistake.
Smiley and Adya, don't take too much time, beta.
Sure. So what is the answer for the 12th one?
12th
So
one.
12th one.
So do the ninth question.
Sir, can you tell the answer for the 12th one?
Hacker, what was the answer for the 12th one?
Sir, ladder.
Yeah?
Sir, A part.
A part. So Hacker says A, which means A is correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Ninth question.
Sir, what if they've planted exactly 7?
You think?
Uh,
can we have a break after this question?
So Gauri, Adya, Guy. So how many have planted
sir, I've
more than
sent.
7?
Sir,
More than
3.
7.
4, sorry.
More than 7. And more than 7. So it's 3. Exactly 7 is not allowed.
Sir,
What did
I sent 3 only, I think.
so Candy and
No.
Guy understood?
Okay.
Yes.
See.
So break.
In 14. Okay. We have 15 and 19th. So do the 15th and 19th. Very easy questions, guys.
Yes, sir. Hmm. Can you have 13 and 14?
All right. So what are the answers, Scooter?
Sir, AA.
A is correct. Adya, again you miss sending the answers. Do the 20th one.
When? Oh no.
So can we have a break?
First do the 20th one, then we'll see. Mahuri, you can send me your doubt during the break, okay?
Okay, sir.
So the number of pens sold on Monday. Monday is 17 and Friday is 7. So when you do the subtraction, you will get 10. What is the problem, Adya and Rohan? This represents a bunch of 5. 5. 5. So 5 into 3 plus 2, 17. This represents 5 plus 2, 7. So 17 minus 7 is 10. All right, guys, take a break.
Yay.
So solve the 21st question.
So we have to do the 21st question.
Yes.
So is the 23rd question some sort of formula for finding something?
Beta, we'll do that as well. Don't worry about it. So Mahuri Mikey. So how much did she earn in April? In April, she sold 40. And in March, she sold how many? 30. So difference is how much? Difference is 10. So difference in selling is 10 teddy bears. 10 teddy bears. So price profit difference will be how much?
So 10 into 484.
484 into 10. Got it, Smiley?
Yes, sure.
Beta, what happened in this question? Did you multiply the 30 and 40 first?
No, sir. Did it. I did 4 minus 1. I did not see 40 and 30.
So guys, let's do the 22nd question without the options.
Why?
Because you guys can do without the options. No, you guys. You guys are very smart. You
At
even
least
made your teacher change the answer of one question.
Sir, what does arrow mean?
Means maybe not simplified or some other mistake.
The simplification is not possible.
Then maybe one answer correct. So smiley,
Sir, I've done. Sir, for the
Khan, Arora,
sir, I'm just
Gauri,
helping.
Adya.
Sir, I sent you my doubts.
What is this, Mahuri? This your grade?
So this is the strength and challenge. These are the questions you have to solve.
Which challenge?
The strength and challenge. I think that's the name.
Beta, but the questions are not of your grade.
So I know that's why they were a bit confusing to understand.
You have like noted it down from a sheet or something?
No, sir, so from the whiteboard.
Do you have a picture of the whiteboard?
No, sir. So this was the question written. Just this triangle drawn. So all the three of the questions are written like this on the whiteboard.
Okay. So how many total laddus did she make in this 6 weeks? Who got it this wrong? Smiley, Ruhan, Adya. So how many in this week? Smiley, Ruhan, Adya. Quickly speak.
Sir, 14.
After 14,
9.
and after 9,
7.
then
6. 8. 18.
8
Sorry, sir, 5. 5. 5.
Yes.
and 8.
8. Yes, sir.
So 14 plus 9 is what? 23. 23 plus 7, 30, 36. Plus 5, 41. Plus 8, 59. Then the fraction of number of laddus make in the week 2 to the number of laddus make in the week 4 and 6 together. So 4 and 6 together we have 6 and 8. That is how much? 14. And week 2 we have 9. So 9 by 14. All right. Smiley, Ruhan, Gauri, Guy, Adya.
Yes.
Yes.
Any doubts? Please ask now.
No, sir. Sir, I didn't get that wrong.
So let's do the 24th and 25th question. So Mahuri, can I talk to you about the questions?
Yes, sir.
So the first question requires better linear equations. You may note it down.
Okay, sir. So the answer.
Second question requires linear equations and square root concept.
Okay, sir.
So this can be explained to you.
So the first question requires linear equations, right?
The second question. You sent me from the second.
Okay, sir.
Okay. This I can explain to you.
Okay, sir.
Next, Peter, the third question requires an advanced trigonometry concept which is taught in, I think, grade 9.
Okay, sir.
Even if I solve it for you, you will not be able to understand. The fourth question requires factorization concept, a concept of grade 8.
So what
Again,
is for the fourth question?
factorization. I will write it.
Okay.
What is factorization? which, beta, even if I explain, beta, it's like a complete topic.
Okay, sir.
Then the next one is not very clear to me what the question is.
So it's like a, so I don't know what you call that shape. It's like a square tilted with a line in the center and two 90-degree angles, and then the values are 10,
Beta,
15.
but it's a diagonal and the angles are not looking like 9. So that's why I will not be able to comment on this because your diagram doesn't look good to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so then fifth question, I think all these questions are there.
So there's
So,
another. Should I continue to three more questions? Four more questions.
so fourth one is factorization. So third requires Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir. That's what we were told.
Again, it's a grade 7 concept.
Okay, sir.
Fourth require concept of parallel lines, which is sometimes taught in grade 6 also.
Okay, sir.
And fifth is again looking of trigonometry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But like, I don't know, like what you, I think for your grade, second can be explained, maybe third also, and
Yes.
fourth also.
Second, third, and fourth. Okay,
Second from the first sheet,
yes, sir.
third, fourth from the second sheet.
Third and fourth. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So Jenny made the frequency table to show the number of times each table vowel was used. Which of the following lists show the vowels in the order of the most used to the least used? Smiley, which one is the most used? Beta, why are we getting them wrong? And Adhya, send your answer.
Sir, I sent
Which one is the most used? Tell me.
Sir A.
A. Then after A, which one is most used? It has
Sir
to be
E.
E. Then after E, which one is most used?
O.
O. So we got A, E, O. And that's my answer then, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Sir, I sent ma'am in the ascending order.
The next question. How many cars then motorcycles got sold in October? So how many cars were sold in October?
Sir, 150.
150. And how many motorcycles were sold in October?
Sir, 75.
75.
Yes, sir.
When you subtract them, you will get
Sir,
70.
75. Yes, sir.
So, but beta, the thing is, you must get them correct in the first attempt. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, 23rd is the most difficult question in this chapter, quite a different question.
Yes, we were 24. I thought we get it wrong.
1 second.
Or probably none of these will be the answer.
All right, do the 23rd question. I will give you 5-6 minutes.
Some more. 10.
So, but and I will increase the difficulty level for you. I want you to send me 5 answers. Value of P, value of Q, value of R. First, send me PQ in one message. Then send me RS and option in the second message.
What?
Sir, I do not understand what.
बेटा फर्स्ट आपको P और Q की वैल्यू भेजनी है मुझे.
Okay, sir.
From here, P from here, Q from here.
Sir, you
Then
are
send the R, S and option, ma'am, to ma'am. Then send R, S and the option number out of A, B, C, D.
सब कुछ मैम को भेजना है, right? PQ first and then RS. Okay.
You have to send 5 answers for this.
Yeah, okay.
Then is this a triple star question? Whoever gets all correct?
It will be a double star.
No, triple.
Let's see, beta.
Months.
So Gauri, Geet, Adya, give me for P and Q first, and Guy and Ruhan Arora. Adya and Ruhan Arora, send your answer. So then the number of stuffed toy animals, Jessie and Joy. Jessie has 2 symbols, Joy has 2.5 symbols, which means 98 into 4 plus half of 98, which is 49. So, how many of you understood this?
Sir, I.
You can directly multiply 98 into 4.5. You can directly multiply 98 into 4.5. You will get the same answer. What is my answer? So Smiley understood. Smiley, Mahuri, Candy, Chatty, Mikey.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will get 441. Now Javed has few more stuffed toy animals than Jassi. So Javed has one more stuffed toy animal than Jassi. So what will be the value of Q, Smiley and Mahuri and Adya?
So 98 into 3.
Beta, it is asking dash more. Means comparison, means subtraction. So 3 minus 2, it will be one symbol. Understood?
Yes, sir.
One symbol means 98 stuffed animals. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So now third, fourth are not tough.
Oh my goodness.
And Mikey, there is a final answer also.
Yes.
Smiley, just take your time, beta. Don't make so many mistakes. Smiley, how many symbols Joy has less than Javed? Tell me.
So Joy has 1 second. So 245.
Beta, Joy has 2.5. अच्छा आपने multiply कर दिया. So Joy has how many? 245. And this has how many? 294.
294.
45 and 294. Just subtract them, you will get your answer 49.
Yes, sir, I did not subtract them.
Beta, again there is dash how many more less than जब भी आता है more than how many more or how many less, we always subtract.
Yes.
All right, and what is the answer for R?
Sir, for our 1225. 1225.
1225. Then we will plug in the values in the formula.
Yes,
So
sir.
P is how much? 441.
441
Minus Q is how much?
98
98. Plus R?
plus 1225 divided by 90. No,
Into what?
into 49
Into 49. So
divided.
when you will do into 49, 49 twos are 98. So add them all and divide by 2 to get your answer. All right.
Yes.
Because this is multiplication, so you can simplify any number at the top and any number in the denominator. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So UI understood? Mr.
Uh,
UI?
mm, Sir, no.
Beta,
Then
which part you did not understand?
the third part, the total number of stuff.
Beta, you have to add them all and multiply by 98. That's it. No big deal.
Sir, I understood what to do. All.
So Mahuri, Ruhan, Arora, everyone understood?
Yes,
Sir, it
Yes.
was easy, but sir, very calculative, like
Yes.
basic calculations.
All right, guys, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.